All right, everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino. We're going to have some fun today, as usual. Don't we always have fun? That's what it's all about. If you can't have fun, what's the point? All right, here we go. Thursday, August 29th, 2019. Nice rally on Wall Street. Dow Jones Industrial Average up almost 300 points. Nothing's been resolved in the bond market. We still have a 2 to 10 inversion, a 30-year below 2%. This is kind of well, let's talk about what's going on here with the stock market. Why are stocks higher? Well, I think we should probably back up to the stock futures last night, which were down triple digits. Then all of a sudden, apparently, and this is being widely reported, so it's probably true. China made this statement. They are looking forward to a calm resolution to the trade war. Again, what are they doing? It's kind of a jab, in my opinion, to the president, who has literally become somewhat unhinged here with the threats against China. I mean, he just can't help himself. So China's like, hold on a minute, Mr. President. Let's step back. Let's try to calm down. I don't know. That's my take on it, but the market is liking it. Calm resolution. Look, let's put this together. Calm resolution would be fantastic in my view. This has to be resolved one way or the other. If the president would back off a little bit on the rhetoric, the threats, this would have been resolved already, in my opinion, but the guy just can't get a grip on things. And anyway, that's my take. If the president would get some good counsel, relax, calm down, take a deep breath, listen to what China's saying. Let's get a calm resolution here. I mean, this is what, rational people do. They, maybe you want to get bent out of shape, and then you calm down. You relax, you negotiate, and you fix it. That's the way normal people do things, but this is anything but a normal environment here in the United States, and the president is a little bit out there. Hard to argue that. His style, like people say, is, if you want to call it the style of the out of control, I think that's probably more like it. Again, I think the president should listen to China here. Let's calm down. Let's get to the negotiating table. Let's fix this. Let's freaking fix it. So, I wanted to tell you something real quick. The U.S. economy, let's talk about that. And I want to get this 100% right, so I'm going to read this to you. I don't want this to be wrong. I hate that. Here we go. So it was reported this morning, U.S. weekly job claims did increase slightly. Okay, not just a big deal, but here we go. And this is widely reported. You can look it up for yourself. Here we go. The U.S. economy slowed in the second quarter. The Commerce Department said in its second reading of second quarter GDP on Thursday, it was a downward revision. All right, look, no secret here. Economy is slowing down, although I'm certain the narrative is going to be we're going on like gangbusters, and it's never been better. What they're gauging this on here a lot, you have to understand what they're looking at. Consumer spending, despite people being maxed out. I mean, consumer debt, personal debt, household debt at new record highs. People are continuing to borrow. So to some, and I don't see this as a good thing, the fact that people have no choice but to borrow more and more, they think this is a positive thing. We witnessed what happened last time when we had a credit bubble, but they forget these kinds of things. It's laughable in my opinion here. But anyway, that's what's driving the market right now. We got stocks in a rally mode. We have a disaster area in the debt market. And this can go on for a while. Like I explained to you, this diversion we have with an inverted yield curve, stocks going higher. We should expect this. If history is any guide, this is what we saw last time, and I've been covering this to the point of nauseum. So don't be surprised at this. And for you lions out here, trade the market in front of you. How many times do I have to tell you that? Don't overthink this. If you start overthinking, it's going to cause you to make decisions that may not be the correct ones. Now, everybody, even me, will make wrong decisions. You can't beat this market every single trade. You want to beat it most of the time. And I'm telling you right now, straight out as far as I can, and the feedback I get is overwhelming. My quant system is freaking almost invincible. Will you lose trades? Absolutely you will. My quant system is invincible also because it's 100% free. I don't ask for a sign up or anything. It's right on my freaking website, traderschoice.net. Link in the description of the video. Beat that. Anybody else who's trying to push some kind of a system. Mine is free for everyone in the world who wants to use it, and it rocks. And just talk to people that are using it. They're going to tell you the same thing. It's incredible. All right, anyway, look, so trade the market you have, you know that. The rhetoric is what it is. I actually agree here. Yeah, beat me up here. I agree with China. We need calm, okay? We need a calm resolution to what's going on. An absolutely out of control, loose cannon ain't going nowhere. So let's come together. What do I always tell you? We need each other. Let me explain this to you in case you don't know it, because there's a lot of people, we don't need China. Yeah, we don't need the second largest economy on earth that we should boycott their products. Let's see how that would work. How about you go walk through whatever store you shop at, any one of them, and you see where most of the products are made from, and then you come back and tell us all here, we don't need China. Let's boycott China. I mean, these are the brain dead, man. They just can't get it. They don't get it. Yeah, we need a calm resolution. Mr. President, listen to China. The threats aren't working. And they frankly sound idiotic. Mr. President, I want you to win. I want you to be successful. But you got to learn to calm down a little bit here. It's true. I can't imagine even the biggest Trump supporter on the face of the earth can't say, Mr. President, you need to calm down. You need to listen to China here. Yeah, and you do. And I hope you do, because maybe we could finish this damn thing at one particular time. Otherwise, it's going to go on, and the market's going to go up and down on every, oh, we're doing great. Not so good. Oh, we're doing great. Oh, not so good. China wants a deal. Oh, not really. I mean, how many times is the market going to deal with these gyrations? It's too stupid. It's kind of like bipolar, Mr. President. Maybe you're a little bipolar too. I don't know. But yeah, listen to China, take their advice, honestly, calm down, and let's get to a calm resolution here with the trade war. Now, one more thing. I ran my own poll on Twitter. Basically, will President Trump lose the next election? No. It appears, according to this poll, again, we're way out, but the president appears to be winning by a freaking landslide at this particular time. If you want to participate in this poll, I'm going to place a link in the description of this video. Let's see, there's like 1,500 people who participated so far. It's going to go on for about another 5 days. So again, to the president's credit, and I always give credit where credit's due, it looks like the president is going to win the next election in this poll, this little poll that I'm running here, by a landslide. We'll see when we get there, but things are what they are. Again, I would love to see more people participate in this. 1,500, it ain't too much. Let's get several thousand in there, maybe 10,000. So I'm going to ask you, in the description of this video is a link to a poll on Twitter. Participate. What's your take on this? Will the president win the next election, or will he lose? I will follow that poll. I will post the end results, and we'll see. Again, polls are what they are. Right now, the president, according to this poll, is crushing it, and we can't deny that. All right, with that said, this guy loves you a lot. See you at the end of the day. Please share this video, and that's it.